Hi guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 14 problem, cheapest flight within K stops. Please like the video and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any update. There are n cities connected by m flights. Each flight starts from city U and arrives at V with a price W. Now given all the cities and flight together with starting city and the destination, our task is to find the cheapest flight from source to destination with up to k stops. If there is no such route, output -1. In the first example, as we can see that we can make at most one stop, so we can reach city 2 from 0 by going via 1 with a price of 200. So we return it. Now in example 2, as we cannot make any stop, so we directly go from city 0 to city 2 and return its cost 500. As this problem is an example of finding shortest path in a weighted graph, let's use DFS. Here is the algorithm. We will first create an adjacency matrix and initialize min and price with max value and 0 respectively. We will then recursively perform the following operations. The first two of which are exit conditions, wherein if source is equal to the destination, we exit. We update the minimum with minimum between the min and the current price. If the stop is less than 0 or the current price is greater than the minimum, we exit. Otherwise, we iterate over the adjacency matrix for all the values. If the value is greater than 0, we call the DFS function with the updated source as value of I, decremented stop and the updated price. Now let's take the first example. This is how connection between the cities will look like. We will first create the adjacency matrix. Starting from the first edge, we will fill 100 at 0, 1 in the matrix. Moving to the second edge, we will update 100 at 1, 2. Similarly, 500. Now we will initialize min with the max value. We will start off with the source 0 and call our function. Initially, the total price will be 0. As 0 is not equal to the destination and also k is not less than 0, we will find all the nodes we can reach from it. So we move to 1. And as its value in adjacency matrix is greater than 0, we call the function with updated source as 1 and price is 100, while decrementing the stops. Now from 1, we can reach 2. As there is an edge 1, 2, so we call our function with updated source as 2, price is 200 and decremented stop. Now as we can see the source and destination are equal, it invokes one of our exit conditions and hence we update the minimum. As 1 is not connected to any other node, we backtrack to 0. As 0 is connected to city 2, we call a function with the source as 2 and total price is 500, while stop decrementing to 0. Since source and destination are equal, it invokes our exit condition. But since current price is greater than the min, it stays the same. Now, as no more cities are connected to 0, we have traversed every path and so we return 200. Here's the actual code snippet from the method. There's a more popular approach of finding the shortest path, which is Dijkstra's algorithm. Taking the same example, we will create the adjacency matrix. This is how it will look like. Now, we will initialize an array of size n with max values. It will hold the minimum price for each node from the source, and also initialize the min variable which will store the minimum price till now. Here's how they will look like. Now we'll perform these two steps. We will initialize a queue and add source and price as 0, 0 in it. Now we will pop the first element and iterate over all the nodes that can be reached from it. We will also decrement k. We pop 0, 0. Now for every city reachable from 0, we will perform these steps. As the value is 0, we move forward. As 1 can be reached from 0, we will initialize a new price, which will be the sum of price of source node and the price of visiting node. Now, as the value in visit array against 1 is greater than the new price, we put the element with new price in the queue and update the visit array with 100. Now, 2 can also be reached from 0, so we initialize new price. And as this city is equal to the destination, we update the minimum as minimum of min and new price. As this iteration is complete, we will again pop the first element and decrement k. Now we'll check for all the cities reachable from 1. As 2 is reachable, we initialize new price. Now as the city is same as the destination, we update the min. Now we check if the queue is empty or k is less than 0. As queue is empty, we break the loop and return the min, in this case 200. Here's the code snippet. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Here's the complexity analysis for both the algorithms. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel.